everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. Today, we'll be learning how to download Xapo application on your Android device. Xapo is an alternative to traditional banking. It is known as a digital wallet that allows you to easily and safely send, receive, store and spend any traditional currencies and Bitcoin. If you're watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download Xapo on your Android device, go tap Open your Play Store. Now, go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Xapo and search. Once you find the app, tap on the Install button to download the application on your device. Once the download is done, wait for it to install. Once the Open button pops out, that means your download and installation is done. Tap on the Open button and you're good to go. That is how you can easily download Xapo application on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.